If you're interested in personal injury, you have to get involved in this organization called CAALA. And so I was like many, hiding out in the back of the audience, intimidated a little bit by all the powerful people involved and all the leaders. And when I walked into my first CAALA event, I realized just how open and loving and how generous everybody is. And for me, it just was like home. Being amongst other attorneys that had similar passions and similar goals in making a difference and protecting consumers from dangerous products and keeping the access to justice open. And when I would go to CAALA seminars and meetings, I'd be inspired by some of the speakers, but more importantly, I would realize how much they were like me and how if they could do it, I could do it. And so for me, early on, I felt it really was important to my success as a human being to give back, to not only take from all these great leaders that were sharing their knowledge, but to also share my unique perspectives. And so early on in CAALA, I've been trying to teach, holding seminars. When I speak at lectures, prepare for them, really give the audience their worth, and then make myself available to help other lawyers. So we have a listserv where thousands of lawyers every day can post questions about basic topics to extraordinarily complex, unique topics. And I've always been someone that I wanted to answer people's questions if I knew the answer, because it was so troubling for me to think that someone's going to spend 5 days or 6 hours researching something and maybe not even get it right. If I know the answer, it is my obligation to help my fellow trial lawyer and give them the answer as best as I could and help them. And so that's been my motto. I also have a slight undiagnosed ADD disorder where I get easily distracted, and I love turning away from a particular topic and looking on the listserv and seeing what issues are coming up. So it's a win-win for the audience and it's a win-win for me. But I love helping people. And so many times I will answer questions that people post, give them examples, and really with no expectation of anything in return. People are always like, well, can I refer you something? And I'm like, no, I don't do it to get something. I do it because it's the right thing to do, and because if you get a great result for your client, nothing would make me happier.